Tired of low energy and a declining sex drive? What if the secret to skyrocketing your libido, stamina, and overall male performance was hidden in your morning coffee cup? Forget expensive blue pills and complex supplement stacks. Today, I'm sharing a simple, delicious honey coffee recipe, a natural performance enhancer scientifically designed to dramatically boost blood circulation, subtly support testosterone levels, and provide the sustainable energy and focus required for peak male vitality. This is the ultimate anti-aging hack for men seeking sexual longevity. Stay with me to unlock this urologist-approved secret blend that can transform your health. Hello, and welcome back to Men's Health, the premier channel dedicated to science-backed strategies for achieving peak male vitality and lifelong confidence. I'm Dr. Katrina, a board-certified urologist and men's health specialist, and my mission is to provide you with the clinical truth to optimize your health through simple, powerful daily routines and natural performance hacks. The core ingredients: coffee, honey, and the circulation boost. Today, we're crafting a powerful tonic, a coffee recipe that is not only profoundly delicious and invigorating, but is also strategically formulated to be a major supporting pillar for men's health optimization. This specific drink is engineered to provide a sustained energy boost, significantly enhance libido by targeting vascular health, and provide crucial support for overall male health and wellness. We are building a natural Viagra coffee that works by supporting your body's innate functions. Coffee, the vascular stimulant for erectile function. We start by adding 1 level teaspoon of instant coffee to a cup. The choice of coffee is deliberate and based on clinical understanding. The caffeine content is a well-documented natural stimulant that immediately helps improve systemic blood circulation. For men's sexual health, enhanced circulation is fundamental, as it directly supports erectile function by optimizing blood flow to the necessary regions. This immediate energy boost also combats chronic fatigue, a common enemy of male vitality. Honey, the natural aphrodisiac and antioxidant shield. Next, we introduce the potent sweetener, raw honey. Add a generous measure of 2 to 3 teaspoons of natural honey. Honey is much more than a simple sugar. It is celebrated as a natural aphrodisiac that provides complex sugars and trace minerals. Its benefits for male health are multifaceted. It helps subtly improve circulation, synergizing with the coffee, contains compounds that may support natural testosterone levels by acting as a precursor to nitric oxide, and powerfully supports your immune system with its antimicrobial properties. Furthermore, honey is a robust source of antioxidants, acting as a crucial shield against cellular aging, a key benefit for sexual longevity. By the way, I'm always eager to connect with our global community. Please let me know which country you're watching from in the comments. It helps me understand my audience better and tailor future trending health topics. Lemon zest and cinnamon, the metabolic and libido activators. The next 2 ingredients are essential in transforming this from a simple sweetened coffee into a potent male performance formula by targeting metabolism and microcirculation. Lemon zest, the detox and energy booster. Now, we will carefully grate some fresh lemon zest directly into the cup. The lemon zest, rich in volatile essential oils, will not only infuse the drink with a desirable freshness and vibrant aroma, but also delivers powerful functional benefits. Lemon's compounds actively help boost your energy by supporting mitochondrial function, subtly improve digestion, and contain compounds that aid the body's detoxification processes, helping to flush out toxins that can slow down metabolism. The zest, in particular, enhances the overall synergy of the drink, making the other ingredients more effective. Cinnamon, the circulatory stimulant for sexual health. Next, we introduce the powerful spice. Grate a small amount of fresh cinnamon stick, or a high-quality powder, into the mixture. Cinnamon isn't just a pleasant spice, it is a recognized powerful circulatory stimulant and a metabolic regulator. It actively helps improve microcirculation throughout the body, which is critical for libido enhancement and general men's sexual health. Its ability to promote healthy metabolism and stabilize blood sugar levels makes it a non-negotiable ingredient for fighting metabolic dysfunction, a root cause of many age-related performance issues. We must now mix everything thoroughly in the cup to form a concentrated paste. The incredible, complex aroma of the honey, lemon, cinnamon, and coffee is already filling the kitchen, a tangible sign that the energy and health benefits of this drink are starting to work and integrate. Ginger and water, the erectile function and stress reduction finish. The final two steps integrate the ultimate natural aphrodisiac and the perfect liquid delivery vehicle to maximize the formula's bioavailability and benefits. Ginger, the erectile function and stamina root. The final active ingredient is fresh ginger. We need to finely chop up approximately 20 grams of fresh ginger into small, easily infused cubes. Ginger is an amazing root for men's health. Its primary benefit is its ability to powerfully improve circulation and actively helps maintain healthy erectile function through its vasodilatory properties. It also gives a potent boost to metabolism and significantly increases overall energy and alertness. Its systemic benefits are immense. Did you know that ginger also helps naturally reduce stress and chronic fatigue? This subtle effect is crucial for overall mood, mental clarity, and, critically, for optimizing the psychological state required for sexual performance. We will add the chopped ginger to the coffee mixture in the cup. This concentrated combination of ginger, cinnamon, and coffee is what truly elevates this to a natural male enhancement product. Hot water, the activation vehicle for maximum bioavailability. Now, we integrate the final component. We need 400 milliliters of clean, hot water. The use of warm water is essential because the heat actively helps to activate all the beneficial ingredients, the oils in the zest, the cinnamaldehyde, the gingerols, and the caffeine, allowing them to efficiently release their full therapeutic potential and become readily available for the body to absorb. We add the water to the cup and stir well until the paste is fully dissolved. To allow the complex flavors to meld and the beneficial compounds to fully infuse, let the drink steep for 5 to 10 minutes before consumption. Conclusion: male vitality and the daily ritual. Our energizing and libido-boosting drink is now ready. Look at the rich color and feel the warmth. It is a beautiful sight. This drink not only tastes incredibly amazing, but is fundamentally packed with targeted benefits for men's health optimization. It reliably boosts male vitality, supports healthy testosterone levels by improving circulation and fighting metabolic dysfunction, and helps you feel profoundly energized and full of life. By integrating this simple, powerful ritual into your morning routine, you are taking a massive proactive step toward ensuring sexual longevity and peak performance. Don't let fatigue or age diminish your drive. If you want more proven natural performance hacks and urologist-approved secrets, don't forget to subscribe to Men's Health so you won't miss out on new recipes and expert tips. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition or health objectives. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have watched or read here. Reliance on any information provided by this video or the channel is solely at your own risk. Before starting any new diet, supplement regimen, exercise program, or making any changes to your current medical treatment, you must consult with a healthcare professional.